Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Solana has dipped into our Fibonacci support zone, actually exactly to the 50% retracement. It still is only a 3-wave move to the upside from the August low, not 5 yet. The 5-wave move, as you probably know, would indicate that really wave 2 bottomed here in August. At the moment, we can work on that assumption or based on that assumption, but we don't have formal confirmation yet. So I'm watching if the market can actually form here a 5-wave move up like this. And this would then be another wave 1. And the next pullback would be a wave 2. And then we can track higher prices like that. Yeah. So structurally, there is absolutely no change. Rather, the price has now formed a nicely looking 3-wave move down into support. And I'm going to watch if a 5th wave up can start from here. Important to understand that a break below $170, the 61.8 retracement level, would indicate that likely this was only a 3-wave price top. Well, it is a 3-wave price top now, but the difference would be that below the 61.8 fib level, it becomes far, far less likely that the price is still trying to form a 5th wave. So it would instead then become more likely that we are doing something like this: A wave, B wave, C wave. And if that's actually playing out, I actually labeled it as WXY, which is possible as well. But I think it's starting to look more likely in the white count. You could say that's the alternative short-term bearish count, but it's not really bearish. It might just mean that we visit the support zone again. In that case, then, if it's an ABC structure, we can track or define even a target for the C wave. So we have the length of the A wave down, then we go to the high of the B wave, and we're actually tracking the 100% extension. That is at $141. So that's promising because the 100% extension is typically a target. So if we cannot hold upper support, then lower support comes into focus. We can still see it as a 1-2 setup. At the moment, the main question is, has the wave 2 bottomed here or in August, or do we get another low? Even if we get another low, then there's a good chance we actually hold the support zone for a wave 2. So that's important. You have this as a standard support, yeah, $140 to $161. We already dipped into it in August, but the reaction isn't 5 waves yet. So the risk is still there, we get another low. But then there is this threshold, $140. If we get another low, can we hold it? And based on those target calculations or measurements, based on the projections, based on the Fibonacci extension tool, which points to $141, there's at least a good chance we could still hold, even if we get that one more low, still hold a wave 2, which is the main thesis, right? That we're in a wave 2, or maybe we bottomed, but it is that scenario. It's a wave 2. Now, obviously, below 140, the structure will change again. Then we'll have to flip wave counts, but that would be an alternative. For now, the focus is here on this micro support zone and $170.40, $173.29, and $176.24 are the next or are the relevant support levels. Obviously, we're in that box at the moment, and a micro 5-wave move up from here would indicate that wave 5 has started. I think already a break above that last swing high here, $181.70, would be an early indication we've started wave 5, which should ideally take us to $191.74 to $198.19 next. So yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you follow us on X for additional updates, charts, mindset stuff, and you can ask questions, discuss with the community. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.